Attention! Okay. You need to push up 10 times. Wait, prepare first. Prepare. Oh, down. Push up 10 times. Go, go. Wait, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stand. Jumping jack. 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. Then luhod, luhod. Luhod. Luhod, what do we do?
Kneel.
Kneel.
Kneel. Okay, kneel.
Okay. You raise your 2 hands. Move them to the left. Move them to the left. Move them to the right. Left. Right. Left. Right. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Stand, stand. Okay, up. Now, you need to move your hips to the left. Left. Move your hips to the right. Okay, left. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Okay, move your hips at your back. Okay, move front, move front. Okay, back, front, back, front, back, front. Okay, now, how about raise your left hand. Put it on your head. Move your hips to the left. Move your hips to the right. Move your hips to the right. Okay, now, raise your right feet. Right leg. Yeah. Raise your right leg. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Alright. That's all for today. Go back and play.